And God bless you. God bless you.
Oh, thank you.
They don't have it, right?
Well, it's not here. It's down the road, but she said only on Mondays.
And also the old.
She said it's been
It's
there.
appointment.
What?
By appointment only.
The DMV?
Did you even check that? They can help you if you don't make an appointment online.
Okay, so let me see.
Good morning. It's 10:40 ng umaga. Hello, we left the house but we don't even make an appointment. Oh my goodness. It's by,
I don't think you need to make an appointment. It was during COVID you need to make an appointment.
no, well, they still have it. You did your research even, Han? We're gonna go travel for almost an hour for return because it's, I guess we are going home. Meron lang siyang inaharap. Oh, diva. Oh, diva. And then I see you. Oh, I see you.
No pepper spray, no knives, no guns.
No gums? How about that flashlight?
I asked him. He said, no, it's okay.
What is that bulky in your pocket?
What?
Bulky in your
Keys.
pocket. Oh.
Yeah, they
Cigarillo.
probably bitch about lighters too, but... Where's my other lighter? Seriously? That's weird.
Si Tami sa ano.
You got a pen in here?
I think I have. Pwede pala dito walk-in, guys. Ang nakakatakot lang dito is ano siya. I-lock natin yung pinto. And nakakatakot kasi yung mga tao dito, guys. Oh, as in, guys. As in, wag na tayo. Ang dami ditong barilan kasi. And then natakot ako baka anong mangyari sa akin. You know.
I said, the things I need to do for my wifey.
But your wifey is not using the wifey card. It is. Did you change it to my name?
No, the address. No, that would have been a whole nother project.
Yeah,
You would have to be in there too.
Don't even. It's okay because it's.
Well, I can't do that without you.
No, I don't want you to do it anyway.
Why is that?
So, you're paying it all.
Yeah.
Pay it all is your name.
Oh.
Go thick, guys. Hello, I cannot see nothing here. I can't see nothing.
Yeah, back very slowly.
Oh, there is a car.
Well, really
there's
slow, and hopefully I'll see you.
Yeah, hold on.
Which is the idea.
I
You
can't
want me to go out and tell you?
Yeah.
All right.
And then you go over there.
Hey, jeez.
You go over there.
Oh, God.
La, la, la.
I'm not going over there. I'm going right here.
Okay, hurry up.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, love.
Yeah.
Things to do for your wife. Everything. You have to go outside. So now what? So, okay, what is the process? Tell
Now
me.
we got to stop at the place and make an appointment to get it ready to be inspected.
Where?
At the place where I get the car done.
Oh.
It's not going to do long. Maybe I'll do it today, but I don't think so. Who knows if we can? I'm fine. We'll wait. I'd like to do an inspection and an oil change. If he said he could do the inspection today, but not
Can you
oil
just
change?
call them instead?
No.
You want me to stop over there?
Yep. You know where it is.
Oh, yeah, I know. But so we are done over here. Well, actually, he's done because hindi ako pumasok eh.
Oh my God! They're like, they're checking your phone. Then the guy tells me you can't use the phone. It's too late. I already called you. If I went out, then I had to wait online again. Not a big deal. I mean, they're very quick. The guy prints me. I went on one line to get a number, and as soon as he prints the number out, before I even have it, they call the number.
Really? And what?
So empty in there. I figured he'd do Tuesday, but no. So Wednesday. He said Tuesday, so no, Tuesday's open up market.
And Wednesday you're working too?
No.
Huh,
Monday, Tuesday. On Wednesday.
Talk to the camera, no?
Talk to the camera. Hey, camera.
Ay, nako, this is...
Hey, Nako, camera. What are you doing? What's behind you?
Nothing. It's just the people are like just stupid.
So now we got the car registration done. Now we made an appointment for an inspection. They can't do it until Wednesday, so bring it back on Wednesday. They'll do the oil change and inspection. And then this car will be done for a little bit.
So we're going home.
We accomplished what we need to accomplish today. The registration was my big key.
So what I did is drive him crazy.
Pretty much.
That's what I did in his life. I drive him everywhere crazy. Drive him crazy. Hi guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Nagbihis lang ako kasi gusto kong maging komportable. Binalik ko lang yung mga damit natin, di ba? Anyway, so ngayon, Rorox is here, still wearing diaper. Do you wanna go outside na? Antik mama diaper off na. Tush. Tush. Ang saya talaga niya guys kapag kunin ang diaper off. Ang saya niya. Oh. Paa. Gamitan ang paa. Kasi the camera is, okay. Kailangan kong kukuha ng tawag nun, pagkain para dinner. Tignan natin kung ano yung pwede natin kunin para i-defrost ahead kasi guys 12 o'clock na ng 12 o'clock na ng hapon. Dito po tayo sa ating freezer. So ngayon, saan ko kayo ilagay? Hindi ko alam. Basta kaya ako andito ako sa freezer. Ay, ito naman si Tami talaga ba? Ay. Gusto kong mag-lamb. Mag-lamb ako ay. Mahal. Ang mahal nito guys. Magkaano ito? $40. Ilam natin eh. Sabihin ko kay Tami. Mag-lamb kayo Tami. Mag-lamb. Lam-lam. O sige o. Ito, ilagay natin ito dito. Ang daming steak. May steak pa sa basement. Alam mo, lutuin ko yung steak next time. Galing ako sa labas, kami ni Tami. Nag-blow ako ng tawag nito, dahon kasi ang daming dahon. So finally, wala ng dahon na kahoy. Pasensya na guys, tumigas yung mukha ko, lips ko eh. Sa ginaw. Mahangin, plus maginaw, halos hindi na ako, yung lips ko is na, sobrang dry. Sobrang dry at saka yung pisngi ko, sakit. Sobrang ginaw. Anyway. So, yun guys, wala nang dahon yung kahoy. And then, yung ground is malinis na. Wala na ding dahon. So, kaya yun. Ay, napagod kami guys. Ako din, kasi ang daming na doon sa labas, doon sa fence. Ang daming kumakapit na dahon. So, kailangan ko siyang i-blow. Yung F-blower. And yun. So, yun, malinis na siya. Wala nang dahon. And then, naglagay din ako sa fireplace, sa ilalim, naglagay ako ng guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Naglagay ako ng kahoy. Itatapon sana itong mga kahoy na to, kaso, hindi siya pwedeng itapon kasi magagamit ko siya guys kapag mag-burn out ng matagal. Loko, nilagay ko dyan. Pwede yun magamit pang apoy ba? So, pwede siya gamitin sa apoy. So, sabi ko, i-keep natin yan kasi hindi natin alam yung panahon. Baka mawalan tayo ng kuryente sa ilang buwan, ganun. So, sabi ko, i-keep natin yan. Just in case. So, nag-double jacket lang ako kasi sobrang ginagawa. Did you lock the thing finally? The shed?